If you make a mistake while mapping an area, simply click the Edit button to correct the boundary. To make adjustments, tap Edit, drive Yarbo to the point where you want to begin the correction, and then click Confirm. Once confirmed, the original route beyond the correction point will be cleared. You can then control Yarbo to continue mapping a new route from the corrected point. If you want to modify an already drawn area in the Yarbo app, tap Enter My Yard, then click Edit Map in the top right corner. Tap on the area you want to modify and choose Edit. There are 3 editing methods for an area. Split area. Drive Yarbo through the area. If Yarbo's route intersects the boundary at 2 points, the area will be split into 2 parts. Select which part to keep. For better accuracy, start and finish the route outside the area to ensure 2 clear intersection points. Expand area. Draw a route extending outward from the area. If Yarbo's route intersects the boundary at 2 points, the area will expand to include the new route. Start and finish the route inside the area to ensure accurate intersections. Complex Edit. Use this method for more intricate changes to the area. For complex edits, if Yarbo's route intersects the boundary at multiple points, the first and last intersections will be used to redefine the boundary, creating a new area.